Namaste and Annyeonghaseyo. My name is Sharmada V. So today I am going to make songpyeon. Let's get to the ingredients. Rice flour about 4 cups sifted, then cashews, then roasted white sesame seeds, then honey, and salt, then turmeric water, which is just a little bit of turmeric and a little bit of hot water mixed, and beetroot slices. Before starting, a little bit about songpyeon. It is a traditional dish made during the occasion of Korean Thanksgiving, known as Chuseok or Hangawi. The word songpyeon directly translates into pine rice cake, as songpyeon is steamed over pine needles or pine leaves, and it is a sweet dish which is made with rice flour and filled with or stuffed with nuts, seeds, and honey. Now we will be making our white dough for the songpyeon. So from the 4 cups of rice flour, we will be separating out about 1.5 cups of flour and adding a little bit of salt and 1/4 cups of boiling water. It should be hot boiling water, and which makes the dough very soft and smooth. And this should be kneaded well, and all the prepared dough. We will be preparing more doughs, and all the prepared dough should be kept in a closed container, otherwise they will dry out. From the 4 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of rice flour we are separating out, and 1/4 cups of hot water, mix it with my wooden spoon. Mix the dough well until it becomes a clay dough consistency. Now we will be making our yellow color dough. It is required in small quantity, and because it is just for decoration, so we will be taking out 2 tablespoons of our rice flour, and for coloring I am using turmeric water. Our yellow color dough is ready. Now we will make the red color dough, and for that I am going to color using beetroot. For that I have just pulsed bit of beetroot and use that water and mix that water with bit of boiling water. 1.5 cups of flour, and 1/4 cups of our boiling beetroot water. Mix well until it reaches the consistency. Now we are going to make songpyeon. So I am going to start with my white dough. So from that, take a little bit of dough and roll it into a bowl. Make a cup. Like this. And fill it with your choice of filling. I am filling it with sesame seeds, roasted white sesame seeds, and honey. And keep it between your fingers and gently press like this, and close the edges, the seams like this, and slowly press Same way with the red color dough. Fill it with a choice of filling and shape it. Now we are going to decorate our songpyeon using the remaining red dough and the yellow dough that we made. I am going to do a simple decoration. I am just making a small flower design from blue. Now all the songpyeons are decorated and to cook them we are going to cook them by steaming method. So steam them for about 30 minutes on medium heat and simmer for about 5 minutes. Here are our decorated songpyeons. Traditionally, songpyeon is steamed over pine leaves or pine needles, but it is not available in my locality, so I am steaming it over banana leaves. So that is my video, and I hope this video brought a little happiness to your day, and wishing you all happiness and health. Bye.